If you're seeing the message, "This account isn't eligible," or "Your YouTube account must have at least 10K followers," don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what this message means and what you can do to fix it. Many creators encounter this notification when trying to access certain YouTube features, monetization programs, shopping tools, or creator opportunities that have specific eligibility requirements. In most cases, the message appears because your channel has not yet reached the minimum subscriber or follower threshold required for that feature. The first thing you should do is check the official eligibility requirements for the feature you're trying to use. Open YouTube Studio, go to the Earn or Monetization section, and review the requirements listed for your account. Different features may require different subscriber counts, watch hours, shorts views, or account verification steps. Next, make sure your channel follows all YouTube policies and community guidelines. Sometimes a feature may be unavailable if your account has restrictions, policy violations, or incomplete channel information. Verify your phone number, enable two-step verification if available, and complete your channel profile. If the feature specifically requires 10,000 followers or subscribers, there is unfortunately no shortcut to bypass that requirement. The solution is to continue growing your audience by uploading high-quality videos consistently, optimizing your titles and thumbnails, and engaging with viewers through comments and community posts. Also, remember that some YouTube features are available only in certain countries or regions. If you meet the subscriber requirement but still see the error, check whether the feature is supported in your location and ensure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. In most cases, the message is not a bug. It's simply YouTube informing you that your channel does not yet meet the necessary requirements. Focus on growing your channel, meeting the eligibility criteria, and keeping your account in good standing. Once you qualify, the feature should become available automatically. If this video helped you understand and fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other creators facing the same problem.